We're now in the second part of terminal jumpers and associations. Now what we're going to look at now is how we edit our terminal jumpers and associations and how we tidy that up and make sure that manufacturers and items like that are linked to our jumpers and their associated associations. Now before we do anything, we must right click on our project and add our active drawing and say yes to the project default values. Now the following drawing has terminal association values that match associations already in the project. Do you want to give new association values to the terminals in the drawings? Yes, we do, because it's a different drawing now. All I've done here, you can see, it's part 2. I've just basically copied the part 1 drawing. So we do need new associations in this drawing. So we say yes to that. So that will update now. And what I need to do as well, just change the drawing properties there and change that sheet to 07 so that we have our numerical sequential values there in our project. So we're now in drawing 07 terminal jumpers and associations part 2. Now we go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, edit components panel, click on the flyout, and let's just pin it open for a second. Now the command we want is that one there, edit jumper. That inserts or edits a jumper on a terminal. So let's have a look at that and how that works. So I click on edit jumper there and it says select terminal or browse. Well, I can pick on that terminal right there, number 1. And it says select jumpered terminals. I'm going to go for 2, like so, and then press enter. So as you can see there, look, there's my jumper there. Cabs X13 going from 1 to 2. What I'm going to do now is do a lookup for the manufacturer. And I'm going to select, let's say, AB as the manufacturer. That's nice and easy. And then what we need to do is find the appropriate manufacturer. Now, I could easily just look through all the ABs here, but there's loads of other manufacturers. So let's look at Entralec. And the one that I want there is going to be, let's have a look now and scroll down the list. I'm going to go for the 198.70704, that one there. Gives you the miscellaneous information. If I just OK that now, all that information is added to the database. So we've got assembly, item number, how many, and so on. I'm just going to OK that. Now before I do that, let's just have a look at this dialog. If I hit show, I can actually pan around. Isn't that clever? So if I hit pan there, I can actually just pan around and look across my drawing while I'm working and editing terminal jumpers. Isn't that clever? You've got a drawing within a drawing. So that's quite a nice little tool that will allow you to work a little bit more effectively when you're editing your terminal jumpers. I'm going to OK that now, and that's updated. That is now linked to the MDB file. If I just double click on that and then scroll down here, you'll see there's various bits of information. As you can see, there's all the attributes of it there. Nothing's showing in the attributes because it's linked to the database. I would have to go in here and edit and select that terminal again and then go to my jumper terminal there. So let's make sure I select that and then enter. And as you can see, look, it's now only showing as a jumper because it's all linked. It's got the manufacturer and the catalog number. So there's no question mark showing in the list here anymore. Can you see that there? And then when I come down here, there is. Can you see that? But because I've linked that there, it's showing as manufacturer and catalog. Now, you would have thought that those question marks would have gone. Well, they haven't because I haven't actually jumpered in any other wires yet. If I had done, those question marks would disappear. So I'll just cancel that now. And as you can see, that's how you edit your terminal jumpers and add manufacturer's information.